What if social media platforms were actually social? The pilot community is proof. My name is Juliet and I went on an adventure in Spain. Hi guys, we're in 𝗂𝗂 and we're gonna be picked up by a pilot right now who messaged me on Instagram where after I posted a story that I'm gonna be in Barcelona, offered us to take us on a flight on the coastline. So we're gonna fly to Costa Brava and I'm really excited to see some really nice sea visuals and I'm gonna take you with me. So let me check.
Do you see here? All of that? That's smoke from the fire. So what you've got, like, this is all uncontrolled.
So the route goes from Sabadell to Empuriabrava, and on the flight back we're gonna wait for the sunset to get the most amazing visuals, and I can't wait to show you the flight back. So wait until the end or skip whatever, but don't miss out on those views.
Well, we're ready to go, and Oscar is right here next to us as well.
Wow.
Ow. Oh. This is wild.
They're massive.
They're really powerful too. Oh, it's insane.
30 degrees, 10 knots, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 13, Echo Charlie Juliet, Sierra November. Juliet full power. 1,100 RPM.
Con Barcelona, unos...
Speed alive. 40 knots. Engine green.
November, entra en final, pista 13.
And we're flying. Alright, climbing out at 65 knots. Reaching the highway, we're going to turn left. From here, heading 069. At above 1,000 feet. Bring our flaps up. Wow, we've got view of Barcelona. You can see 𝗗𝗂𝗏𝗂, see week. Alright, the plane's having a hard time climbing today.
You have a temperature, say
Outside temperature 28 degrees here.
Okay, yes.
On the ground was about 32.
Charlie Kilo, Charlie Juliet, Sierra November, monitor Barcelona, 131.125.
131.125, Echo Charlie Juliet, Sierra November. Gracias. Right, so Oscar is in the Oscar plane, we're in the Juliet Sierra plane. Alright.
Perfect.
And this is something I'm always fascinated like with gliders, like how do you know where there are currents?
Because of the hills, angle of the sun shining onto the ground, it heats up a lot easier than the flat ground.
Okay.
Back in Germany, we have a lot more clouds mostly.
Yeah.
So you can tell where the thermals are.
Okay.
But here, blue skies, it's very hard.
This is why I love these planes. I mean, the 172 flies itself. Alright, so you can see our route here will take us away from Barcelona into Girona airspace. As a Ryanair jet. Empuriabrava radio, Echo Charlie Juliet Sierra November over La Scala 2500, approaching the field.
Please do not overfly the airfield, we have parachuting activity.
We'll join right downwind runway 17 and we'll stay away from the airfield. Could you notify us when the skydivers are on the ground? Oh, can you see the skydivers plane?
Oh wow, there it is.
It is. Let's do our pre-landing checks. Right, landing lights on, mixture is full rich, speed check and flap 10. The traffic before us has landed, all the last skydivers will be here shortly. We'll set descent power.
Sierra November, canopies on the ground, you can land 17 at your discretion.
Echo Charlie Juliet Sierra November, final 17. Slow us down a bit more. Runway vacated, Echo Sierra November. So we'll park here, just behind the gas station, and stay away from the windsock. So after landing, right, got all this off, avionics.
So after closed, so the best part is yet to come.
Wind slide. Empuriabrava, Juliet, Sierra November, lining up for takeoff runway 17, departure to the south. We're reaching 500 feet, we're going to accelerate to 80, off, and flaps up. This is the best time to fly.
Golden hour.
Empuriabrava, Juliet, Sierra November is over the coastline, 600 feet, climbing 2000, direction La Scala. Echo Charlie Juliet Sierra November departed Empuriabrava. We're on course to Begur and we'll proceed down the coastline, destination Sabadell.
Squawk 7366 QNH1018.
Squawk 7366 QNH1018, Echo Charlie Juliet Sierra November. Can you see them?
Yes.
Yeah. Juliet Sierra November, we're directly at your 9 o'clock. Juliet Sierra November, we're at your 7 o'clock. If you come a bit closer to the coastline, we can be closer.
Copy, standby.
This looks so unreal.
That was lovely.
One off X-ray, and for your information, the right-hand puppies were also not working.
Thank you so much for taking us on this flight. It was amazing. Thanks for showing us your home country, and I would appreciate if you come to Germany one day, and we'll see each other there, and I will take you for a flight.
Awesome, I'm so happy you came along. Great training experience, and looking forward to seeing you in Germany.